Last time I had informed you all कि मैंने कुछ products मंगाए हैं from Amazon. Those products have arrived. So I thought this is the best time to shoot. Yes, workspace की हालत सेम ही है except for the rack and this area जो मैं आप लोग के साथ we'll work together. Drilling holes is one thing which I don't like. The reason I'm confident to drill holes here is because guitar looks the best here. उठाया, बजाया, प्रैक्टिस किया. बेसिकली एक वर्क स्पेस में हर चीज़ आपके एक्सेस में होनी चाहिए. ये मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. दैट्स वेयर आई एम एक्चुअली प्लानिंग टू क्रिएट अ वर्क स्पेस. इस कॉर्नर में क्यों खड़े हम? वाई आर वी व्लॉगिंग इन दिस स्पेस? बिकॉज इट इज ऑल अबाउट माई वर्क स्पेस. वेलकम टू माई यूट्यूब चैनल एंड सारी पॉजिटिविटी के साथ मैंने सोचा कि वाई नॉट डू अ व्लॉग and show you guys step by step what I'm doing. Not only about looks, it should be very practical too. First thing, I have my guitar here. Okay, so this is a travel guitar. Basically, it's a medium-sized guitar. You can carry it. It's lighter and शुरू करते हैं. tada, both the products are here. Okay, ये दोनों मैंने actually खोल दिए हैं अभी. चाइनीज लैम्प है. चाइनीज लैम्प स्टाइल डिजाइन चाइना से नहीं आया है, इंडिया में बनता है. राइस पेपर का बनता है. इसका मैं आपको फायदा बताऊंगा. थोड़ा फायदा अगर आप अब भी देखना चाहते हैं आप समझ जाएंगे. एंड इसमें होल है, देखिए गौर से. Amazon आपने मुझे होल वाला दिया है, पर अब इतने से के लिए लौटाना सेंस नहीं बनता है. आप इसको बहुत डेलिकेटली हैंडल करना. एक कागज का बना है, बहुत जल्दी फट जाता है. बट जो मेन प्रोडक्ट है जिसके लिए आज का वीडियो है वो है जुरेज. कॉल्ड जुरेज और जुरेज 179 का है मेरे को. अनबॉक्सिंग आप लोग को आसान लगता है. आई गॉट अ वॉल माउंट फॉर माई गिटार. आई कैन यूज दिस फॉर हेलमेट्स, bags or anything. Comes with screws and bits. Concept is very simple. These two things which have the foam on it which will guard your guitar. So this is how it's gonna hold my guitar. So it's very important that I do the right measurements because tomorrow if I want to hang a jacket here, it should fit perfectly fine. Here's my basic rack. Few helmets are on top, few helmets are here. Some leather good, kept my petrol tank, my GS Lego version Technic. My boots are lined up, my tools are all down. This rack is my go-to rack which will have everything. I'm sure everyone has a table lamp. Yes, it did come with a shade. I have that shade also. But what the shade does is shade only focuses on one area. मैंने इस पे लगाया है Philips का high power LED bulb. If you like colors like a RGB, you can even do that. I think I should show you all what I'm doing, right? Voila! So okay, so this is like a backdrop. अभी भी ये complete नहीं है. Somehow the extension which I created has a bit of a loose connection. Didn't make sense. Anyways, I just thought I'll show you guys how this actually looks now. Imagine if I change this LED bulb to a purple So imagine if I change this bulb to a LED bulb like a RGB or something like that, which Philips does give in like 180, 250 or 350 rupees. I can have my way of mood lights. Let me show you guys. Looks cool, right? So now this looks really nice. This is one corner of my studio room which I'm planning. Same way I'll plan for the guitar area and my main editing area. And why am I talking in dark? Okay, and the main editing area I can't show you all for obvious reasons. सारा कचरा वहीं है. Curves like this from inside, so don't worry about that. That's normal. इरादा ये है. Okay, so this is the DIY I was talking about. I have just put the lamp inside. So for example, if I want my lighting settings here, okay, now you can see that, and that's why it's kind of giving that thing. If you're on a low budget and if you want decent lights, just take your old lamp, convert it into this, and you can get your kind of effects which you want. You can put this on a table or hang it from the top. I'm gonna actually use it near my computer desk and hang it from the top so it'll create a different ambience. Yeah, so this 16-inch of paper ball can make a huge difference. Middle of the night I'm shooting this video and you can actually create great light effects for your video if you're a creator. Well, this is quite a no-no. So well, yeah, this was all about this. Now let's put the guitar holder and move on with it. So I have a drill machine. A bit is fixed. First, we will measure. There's a gap between the wall and your guitar, so you won't have any scratches. That's the best part about it. Okay, so 3 markings done. It's very important that you punch a bit. We'll use this tool actually to punch. That's neatly done. I hope no one got disturbed. Make sure you put the plastic rivets. One screw I have not put because I think there is a brick wall behind, so I have to drill harder, which I will do later. Let me give you a longer shot. That looks cool, right? I am actually trying to make every corner vloggable, or basically to shoot the right videos, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please press the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel if you want such regular content. Please comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed, and as usual friends, see you guys with a new vlog. Eat well, sleep well, be good. Signing off, Raj from Radmoto.